Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the review of the top 3 flower pots for orchids. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with terracotta pots. Terracotta orchid pots are constructed from highly porous clay, allowing proper circulation of air and moisture through the walls. The pots also have multiple drainage and air circulation holes on the sides and bottom. Terracotta pots are durable and highly resistant to cracks. Additionally, their earthly design has a rustic charm that blends with indoor and outdoor decor. Remember, these pots are not frost resistant and do not do well in cold climates. They're also heavy and prone to salt buildup over time. Self-watering plastic pots. Another good choice for your orchids is the self-watering pots. These have a dual-layer system where the outer pot is the storage tank and the inner one holds the plant. It usually has a built-in wicking system, and water moves from the reservoir to the orchid through a capillary system. The orchids then gradually absorb water without their roots getting waterlogged. Fertilizers are usually also added into the reservoir in diluted form. Then the water enters the pot and eventually the fertilizer reaches the roots evenly. The pot also has a water level indicator that shows moisture level, so you do not have to employ guesswork. They are lightweight and come in various modern finishes. The inner pot is transparent to help monitor the root's growth and moisture levels. However, the pots are not as breathable as terracotta pots, yet orchids need enough airflow. The pots are convenient for beginners who tend to overwater or underwater their orchids, or people with busy schedules. Slotted plastic pots. Slotted orchid pots are constructed from plant-safe plastic and UV-protected materials, making them sustainable indoors and outdoors as they are weather-resistant and lightweight. These orchid pots come slotted on the sides and have a hole at the bottom for air circulation and to prevent water retention that can lead to root rot. It is budget-friendly and has saucers to catch excess water. It also has a transparent design, allowing you to see the root's health and growth. Unfortunately, slotted plastic pots become brittle over time when exposed to light for long, and you will need to replace them. Which is the best? The self-watering plant pot is the best flower pot for orchids since it combines convenience, functionality, and style. The pot makes care routine easier, and its modern design is ideal for people looking for practicality and elegance in their homes. Thanks for watching.